Best believe you'll be doing things in the future. Y'all are playing. I got the stuff set out. Y'all ready? What's up?
You got birthday cake, you got hot, you got cheddar cheese, you got dill pickle, you got your business. Appetizer.
Which one is this?
It's called breathtaker. Here.
You got some on the bed?
Thank you.
What's your name?
Taylor.
Okay.
And I'm part of lemon bar. You got lemon bar. You got
Thank you. Too late now. Oh, yeah, caught you. I caught it. I caught it.
This pen tried to take me out.
They almost failed, man.
Come on, demonstrate.
I'm mad. I only want to work today. I ain't taking no pictures.
I'm okay. I'm gonna take one where I'm not.
Amber, so how you feel, man?
I was nervous, but now I'm okay.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Positive.
You got anything you want to say?
Down on me, bro.
We don't know what she just said.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling good. Feeling great. Fuck on. I'm sick of her. Anyway, I know I'm supposed to have this on, but be a little hot sometimes. That's because her breath stink. Go to hell. Anyway.
I'm putting this up today.
See? Oh my god.
You can get me. I'm fine.
You ready to get your lashes done?
You what?
Oh yeah, I bought some magnetic
You
lashes.
can keep it recording too.
Look, get the zoom in. Ain't those beautiful? He about to try these on. And we're gonna see how this goes. Well, y'all, let's get into it. Because he told me I'm a dude, I'm not used to this. He won't stay still. This is too funny.
I tell you, I'm a dude.
Oh my
I
god.
ain't used to this. I'm only doing it for fun.
A few moments later.
You serious?
Can I open my eyes?
No, not yet.
Okay, not
So,
that.
I'm doing a second coat just to make sure that it sticks. So you always want to make sure you get a nice layer in the corners. Those are the most important parts.
Yeah,
Oh, that eye look nice.
It ain't on there yet, but she got it on there clean. This the glue to hold the magnetic.
So I'm about to do the second eye. This the first layer.
This is too fucking funny.
Come on, Shay.
Oh shit!
I can't see.
The wind just blew. Wait,
Amber getting attacked.
clearly. Hold on.